Replacing the GFCI is very easy. Make sure the GFCI is unplugged. Remove these two screws. Lift the bottom cover out of the way. Then remove the two screws on the wire harness brace. Loosen the two wire terminal screws. Lift the gasket up a bit and pull the wire harness up and out. Insert the wire harness under the gasket into the new GFCI. Make sure the wires are in the correct color-coded terminals. Seat the wire harness under the gasket into the GFCI. Tighten the wire terminal screws. Insert the wire harness brace. Place the cover on the GFCI and tighten the screws securely. Check that the gasket is securely sealed.